This is Eric Mwathe for the week of May 12, 2014. Let's take a look at pre-market here with about 30 minutes to go before the market open. We are looking at the Dow called up about 43 points, S&P 500 called up about 5, and you see that the Nasdaq is called up about 16 points. And we look at overnight in Asia. We see that China was the biggest mover, up 2%. And so was Hong Kong, up about 1.8. Right now we are looking at Europe pretty much with the upside, with the biggest mover being the German index, and the DAX is up 0.83. Right now we are looking at commodities, and we see good moves in silver and in the dollar and in gold. So let's take a look at some of the things we need to consider for this week. Of course, this week we need to watch the Nasdaq daily to see whether it can hold this trend line, which has been very successful going back to beginning or late 2012. It's been holding the market together. Even recently the market bounced off that and also bouncing off that level. Also, we'll need to see what would happen if the market would go back to the 200-day moving average on the Nasdaq. Right now we are looking at support coming on the daily trend line. If it holds, we have to conclude that the Nasdaq wants to move higher. There's also RSI support on this level here, which has been successful in holding the market together. As far as the Dow is concerned, it's very simple. The Dow needs to hold above 16478, which is this 2013 closing highs on a weekly basis. Anything above that is bullish. And S&P 500, remember this is options expiration, so volatility could increase, but the S&P 500 needs to hold above 1878.04, which is a previous weekly closing high here sometime in March. So those are some of the things to consider for this week. Eric Mwathe, good luck, peace, and blessings. I am out. Woo!